Hello, here we are with a connectivity demo with the Sony Xperia Z tablet. So this is a pre-production unit. What we're going to do is we're going to connect up one of these, a micro USB to USB host cable. Now if we take the tablet and we open up the port cover, what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a USB stick to the USB host cable, and then I'm going to pop this into the tablet, and you'll see in the corner that comes up USB storage connected. It's asking whether we want to do a file transfer. We're just going to click close to that at the moment. If I go up into the apps and I scroll across to the file commander, you'll see that we've got internal storage and USB disk, and you can see the contents then of this USB disk. So if I just click on that, we've got a video playing directly from the memory stick now. So I can come back out of that. I can then disconnect that like so, and the contents of the USB stick has now disappeared. What I'm then going to show you is the fact that you can use a USB hub with the device. So I'm going to use the same USB host cable. I've got a USB hub here, and I'm going to connect the USB cable in. Now, one of the quirks we've found so far is that you need to have the memory stick connected to the hub first of all, and then connect it in to the Xperia tablet like so. So it's picked up that we've got a disk attached, can go onto USB, and there again is the contents of this memory stick that's actually running through this. Now we've tried a couple of other components on this hub, and they haven't been able to be read at the same time. That might be because of the file manager we're using, it might be to power or configuration issues, but there might be a workaround come the final unit, or there might be a different app or something like that that could get that working. But in principle, if you had a USB hub, you could in theory use it. You're getting enough power there. It's not a powered hub, it's just running off the power from the tablet. Now we have also tried to connect USB hard drives. So I've got a Western Digital USB 2 hard drive. Now if we connect it up in the same way that we did the memory stick, we get power indicated on the light here, but it's not enough power to actually spin the drive correctly and be able to read the drive. So we haven't had any success with that. We've also tried a Western Digital USB 3 drive, and we ran into the same problems again with that. So this time we couldn't use the hard drive. Now we don't have a powered hard drive to hand to be able to test it. It might be that it works, but we couldn't get it to work. We also tried this, the Sony Ericsson Live Dock, which has been known to work with accessories before, with other mobile devices before, and this didn't appear to work. Now again, it could be a configuration thing, it could be the fact that we're running a pre-production unit of the Tablet Z here, but that wasn't working. But in principle, you can certainly connect up USB memory sticks. And in terms of other connectivity, I mean, it might be fairly sort of obvious due to the specifications of the phone, but if you open up this cover here, you've got a micro SD card slot which you can put cards of up to 64 gigabytes in capacity into. You just have to format a 64 gig card actually in the tablet itself. You've got the micro SIM card slot there, which takes a 4G SIM. This is a 4G tablet when you buy it from clove.co.uk, so you'll be able to use that element of connectivity to the device as well. You've got on the side here another port for the 3.5mm headphone jack. I'm not sure if you can just see that there. So you can connect headphones, other audio cables to this device as well. You've got connectivity in some respects via the infrared port on the top of the tablet, and you can control this device, or use this device as a remote control for equipment such as your TV or your satellite box when it's being configured. So that's another connectivity. You've got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, NFC all built into this tablet, so you've got lots of connectivity options there as well. We mentioned earlier in this video that you've got Bluetooth on this device, and just to give you an idea, we've got a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse connected. So here's a Bluetooth keyboard, here's the mouse. You can see the mouse pointer on screen, and you can see that I can control the tablet with the mouse. I can navigate through, I can go into apps. Just going to click into messaging here. So I could even start a new message and type in and write a message. I'm just going to use the keyboard here. You can see that's coming up on screen. So that just shows you the versatility of this tablet. So you could have this perhaps docked like that, and you could then use the keyboard, or as the video also showed, you can have this connected up via HDMI and use it as a multi-purpose office sort of setup. One of the other connectivity options that we've seen in times gone by is a Sony PlayStation controller connected up to mobile devices, including Sony devices, and we've always had to use USB host cable solutions as shown with the memory stick connected into the controller. However, the Sony Tablet Z has the ability to control the device with the PlayStation controller wirelessly, and what you have to do is first of all connect the device to the tablet with a USB cable and the USB host in the old-fashioned way. But once you've done that, you can then connect the controller via Bluetooth. So don't know if you can see here, but we're moving around the screen using the analog stick with absolutely no requirement to be connected via cable. Now if you're into gaming, this is going to be really big for you. I don't need to demo playing a game with a PlayStation controller, I can just show you it working, but the principle is it does indeed work. Of course, there's plenty of other Bluetooth games controllers, but a lot of you will have these in your home, and it's a much cheaper solution than buying a specialist games controller for Android or the device that you're using. Through the micro USB port, you've got the ability to connect this to an HD display with an MHL adapter. So I'll just show you the MHL adapter. So this is the MHL adapter here. This is the one for the original Samsung Galaxy S2. It's got a micro USB connection on one end, an HDMI connection on the other, and a power connector on the other. And this all connects up with an HDMI cable to a TV, and we'll see that in action now. So we've got the Xperia Z connected just down in the bottom corner of the shot here. The MHL HDMI adapter is linked to the description of this video. So connected up to an HD screen, so this is perfect for sharing content back or doing mobile working if you're giving a presentation or sharing photos. Now just out of shot, we've connected up a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to show you how you can use this. So we can control the device like we would as if we were using the tablet in our hands. So we can navigate around the menus, click on icons and play back content. So let's just play back a video that we've got here. You can see the mouse pointer on screen, we're using that. So I've just got the sound turned off at the moment for the example here, but you can see it's playing back the content quite happily. Here we can go back to our home screen. I can go into my applications and I can use everything like I would. So I can go into apps like messaging and I could type out a message. You can see we've already got some text here, but so this could potentially make for a really portable and efficient mobile working solution. So you might want to go and browse the internet. So we could go into the web browser. We can navigate to a website. So here we are at the BBC. So I can then go and click on the news, navigate around, and you can see the tablet screen is mimicking everything on the big screen. So it's all being powered by the Xperia Z tablet. So this makes for a really useful and productive mobile solution and sharing all your content with friends and family. So that's just a quick demo of some of the connectivity options on the Sony Xperia Z tablet.